Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. The Aparajita plant is commonly known as Sankpushpi in Hindi. It is a small perennial herb known for its use in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for its potential cognitive and memory enhancing properties. Even though this is a perennial plant, many gardeners treat it as an annual plant. This plant that you are seeing is almost 4 years old. And this plant is 1 year. The more old the Aparajita plant is, the more bushier and lateral branching the plant will have. That's why my mom tries to save this plant year by year by repotting every winter. After all the flowering stops, the winter season comes and the plant looks like this. The leaves are yellow and they fall off and it looks like the plant is dead. Actually, it depends upon the temperature. As Delhi has extreme cold weather, the plant condition is like this, but in some places the plant flowers forever. Today is almost the second week of February and the coldness is almost over. This is the best time for repotting. Before repotting, my mom is pruning all the dry and dead stems. Now you can keep on watching the video while I tell you some tips for your Aparajita plant. First of all, I will tell about sunlight. Aparajita plants flourish when exposed to abundant sunlight. Be sure to provide them with a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Now let me tell you about the soil. Use well-draining fertile soil with slightly acidic to neutral pH, around 6 to 7. Adding organic matter like compost can improve soil quality. My mom always uses homemade fertilizer or compost when she is preparing her soil. Now I will tell you about the watering. Aparajita plants thrive on steady moisture levels. In periods of high heat and dryness, you might find it necessary to increase the frequency of watering. Now I will tell you about the fertilization. During the active growth season, which typically occurs in spring and summer, provide your Aparajita plant with balanced water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. As growth naturally slows down in the fall and winter, consider reducing fertilization during this period. My mom has prepared the pot by giving some dry leaves in the lower part, then adding some garden soil, and lastly she will add some kitchen waste compost. My mom will not add any other fertilizer during this period. She will give when the new leaves will start to grow. Now I will tell about the pruning. Pruning is generally not necessary for Aparajita plant, but you can trim them to maintain their shape or remove dead or leggy growth. Only during repotting my mom does hard pruning, otherwise she does not prune her plant so often. Now I will tell you about the mulching. You can give mulch if the weather is too hot or too cold. Also, applying a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant can help conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. I hope if you take care of your plants like this, then you will get flowers year after year. And I hope you can take health benefits from it also. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.